Unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth.
So I'll go on my opinionated peeps. So people on the internet is cross, angry, miserable and upset simply over a video that went viral on the internet most recently. Now people, everybody send me this video, everybody and them grandmother send me this video and I say, Unstoppable, watch this, can you believe this? Can you believe that children can be so backward if you don't know who the Prime Minister of Jamaica is? Now the very first instance when me watch that video, the first thing come to my mind is it not real, manipulated. You understand? Now the question that begs to wonder is this: people is so easily deceived, and so people easy to believe everything them see on the internet. Them need to understand that you're living in the age where anything and everything can be manipulated on the internet. And I know everything where you see, you have to believe. Now the video we are talking about is of a school's challenge quiz. Alright? And somebody created this video, take out the actual image of Hitler and slip in Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Now everybody is upset in the comment section of videos that I've seen on Facebook where they talk about say how is it that these children don't know their own Prime Minister of Jamaica and what kind of pitney them are send go for schools challenge quiz and all kind of things like that. Now come on people, why would you even blame the children in a situation like that? Think about it. Someone who just love figure type and comment too much without even using this before or not type and comment and start to troll people. The poor little innocent pitney them. The video was edited and manipulated. The pitney them said the right answer and it was actually Hitler there, and someone edited the video, take out Hitler and put Andrew Holness in there. Now somebody who don't know nothing about video editing or these kind of things would probably think it is real. So we can't blame you. No. But if you don't know, don't comment nonsense in the comment section and disrespect the little children them. That's just my opinion. You don't agree with me? Let me know. See? Now, let me show you the video that is actually going around. Watch this.
Spalding, look at the monitor and give the full name of this person.
Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler.
That's
Alright, so you see it, right? That is the video that is going around and everybody has shared it on WhatsApp, everybody has shared it on Facebook, everybody is upset about it, right? People as far as Cayman Island, me hear people get upset over this video. I say, why is it that these children don't know the Prime Minister of Jamaica and how can they confuse Andrew Holness with a man like Hitler? All the way in the Cayman Islands, this rich people, right? Now, for all who actually believe that this video could not have been edited or manipulated, watch that one here.
Well, Spalding, look at the monitor and give the full name of this person.
Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler.
That's
So no believe yet? You don't notice how me edit that and put in a other artist there? Is not Hitler, right? Alright. Okay. Someone who still believe that it cannot be edited. Watch that one here again.
Spalding, look at the monitor and give the full name of this person.
Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler.
That's
So that person there must say Hitler then. Come on, man. It's too easy to believe everything on the see on the internet. But man, this is my opinion. Talk to me. Let me know down below if you agree with me. Your opinion matters.
Boy, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth.